Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color green. Let's take a look. So, starting under the hood, we do have a 3.5-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front here, we have our headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. We also have this lovely hood scoop up top here. As you get along to the side, you may notice 3M treatment on the front end. We've got our alloy wheels and our tube steps. Side mirrors have integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring, and the rear windows have factory tinting. We also have the roof rack up top here and the soft tonneau cover on the back. As we get along to the back here, you'll find your spare tire just in the underneath side there. And next to your handle is your backup camera. Of course, to access your bed, simply release the handle and let it soft open from there. Take a quick look along the inside here. On the right-hand side, you'll find additional storage and your power outlets. We also have the bed light turned on currently. This can be set off or to work automatically with the open and closing of your doors. To close it up, simply reach down and lift up your tailgate. Next, let's take a look at the inside. Looking in our back seats here, you'll see your internal upholstery is this lovely black leather with this nice texturing in the middle center areas. On the back of your front passenger seat, we have pouch storage and then cup holders in the back of your console. Currently, we have the Toyota rubber mats throughout the unit, little extra storage inside your doors here. Your rear window here does have this middle panel, which is able to slide with a power source. We'll take a look at that up front. First, take a look at your handle. You can notice these two double lines here, indicating a keyless entry unit, and you can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside the driver's door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and your child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, up, down, and then your lumbar support here. Hood release latches on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, controls for that bed light in the back, automatic high beams, your rear power outlet that we saw, and then your traction control. Hop up here and take a look at the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your controls for your radio here, as well as your volume and hands-free communication. On the right-hand side, you have the controls for your dash display, and then your cruise control in the back with the sonar and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment center. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio. Also has full Bluetooth connectivity and an optional USB adapter. Under there, we have your climate control center. The display screen is up top here. We have the dual so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings or sync them up to work in unison. We then have your defrost for your front windshield and side mirrors, and then your two front heated seat controls with 3 variant levels. We then have your dial for your 2-wheel 4 high and 4 low, and then your push start ignition. Underneath is your BSM sensor, your electric power, and then this is the control for that rear window panel. It will take a look up top here. It simply functions like any regular window, but this one moves side to side. Great for a little extra air coming through. And then, of course, you have your USB adapters, and then this symbol right here matches the one down below, indicating this is a wireless charging pad. Turn it on and off. It can also be used as a regular storage space. And then, of course, your 12-volt, lots of cup storage, and your console back here. Looking upwards on your rear view mirror, we have these little house-shaped controls. Those are your garage door openers. Above that, we have your sunglasses compartment, SOS button, controls for overhead lighting, and the controls for a lovely moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color green. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, Life is full of choices. Let us be yours.